To St. Anne now, where final preparations were in high gear as fishermen hoped for the best ahead of Hurricane Melissa. Shamela Pullen reports.
About 35 fishermen operate from the Discovery Bay fishing village in St. Anne. Hours before Hurricane Melissa is expected to make landfall on the island, mixed concerns along the shoreline.
We are nervous now because they never tell us this storm is deadly. So we have to get nervous because it has come and tap. Almost 3 weeks now, and we don't see nothing. So we're there fretting.
This morning I was referring to a fisherman, tell him he could take in at least 2 fish pots and leave 3 out there out of 5. So he could save himself when the hurricane pass and gone. He can put back 2 out there to try gain back something in his pocket.
When TVJ News arrived, boat engines had been turned off and vessels docked. Some fishermen were seen making final preparations to secure their boats. They estimate that around 500 fishing pots remain at sea, and they are anxiously hoping their equipment and livelihoods will be spared.
I hope it turn from Jamaica, give us what we can manage, don't give us what we cannot manage, because this country is a poor country and we need more proper structure in Jamaica. So we're calling upon Andrew Holiness to help us to build Jamaica the right way. Proper structure. Try to get rid of the boat structure in the country.
The men tried to take their minds off the approaching storm with a game of dominoes. The fishermen said they are praying for the best, hoping the weather doesn't take a turn for the worse and that life can soon return to normal.
Just keep yourself up to date right now. Playing some domino and sit and talk and and have a little drink. If we have money, can have a drink, because the sea is rough, so we can't go there to make any money. So we have to just sit and watch, and so they go on. Maybe a friend pass by and say, see something, buy yourself a drink and sit and talk and watch what's going on.
Because basically you guys are basically staying here, you're not leaving here.
No, we're not leaving here. Yes, it's our home. We're not leaving here. Because you can see it in the fisherman beach house here. A lot of people in the fisherman beach house where that's their shelter.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.